face. Yeah. Damn. I need to get some style 19s ASAP. If you got an E36, throw them on there.
Benny, you're back.
Hi guys.
You still have stock wheels.
Shut up, bro.
So benzene is back.
Not for long.
And he brought some nice style 19s that he polished.
Refinished myself.
Refinished himself.
Hard work pays off.
Hard work
Kids,
does pay off.
hard work
So
pays
let's
off.
bring one of these hoes in the nice gloomy sun here. Ready? Sheesh. Sheesh. Damn.
That's hot.
That is hot. These are gonna look nice.
That's sexy.
What else did you bring us? What else did you bring us?
I didn't want to show you guys earlier.
Didn't want to. I mean, what happened back here?
Got some Lemfort. Oh.
What happened there?
We got some new tail lights.
Lots to do.
Car's gonna transform.
We got a little bit of stuff we need.
Some new stuff is happening.
Hey,
yeah.
Oh yeah. You got a steering wheel.
Y'all are gonna like that. Y'all are gonna like that next week. Just give it a little bit.
Next week. I don't know if we're filming that, but so let's see. What's the setup here? What's the setup here?
All right, so we got style 19, 17 by 8. They're squared all around.
Plus 20.
Plus 20, about, yeah. And then we got the Conti Extreme Contact Sports.
Why did you go with Continentals?
Grippy. They perform well on the wet, and they're pretty much just a step up from Feds.
Yeah, step up from Feds. How much?
I was gonna go with Feds. I actually paid like $680, like total.
Damn, how much a tire? Like 150?
Yeah, like 150-ish, and then tax and shipping.
Damn.
I got 2-day shipping though.
Bro, I would have just come with, I got a truckload of Feds over here. I don't know what you talking about.
This dude just got fresh tires on the Volvo.
Oh yeah, I got fresh
How
tires on the
feel?
Volvo.
Feel like shit?
Feel fine. What's the haul here? We got. You have a spare, right?
Yeah, it's at home.
You just need to get a tire for
It's got a Fed on it, by the way.
It's got a
so
Fed.
I'm not anti-Fed. Just
We're not anti-federals. I'm pro-federals. Anyways, so we got these. These are gonna go on. We got tie rod ends that we're gonna do, and then we got the clear corners. Benny, I think you did a really great job on these.
Thank you. They were really hard to do. It was like
Center
25.
caps. When are center caps coming?
This week. Hopefully like today or tomorrow.
Who did you get center caps from?
ECS. I don't know.
Fuck
who those
ECS.
is. Yeah, fuck ECS.
Fuck
don't,
ECS.
Don't do it.
Don't
they
support.
cucked me. It was
don't
literally
support.
the only ones on sale.
How did you do this?
So
let's spit some free game for them really quick.
All right.
How did you do this?
So, first, acquire the wheels. So, go to your local seller and be like, hey, you got some style 19s, bro? Right.
Fiend for them. Well, we have 10, so you can't. There's not really much left.
we got a fuck that.
Come in a 15 by 8 and a 15 by 9.
Yeah.
Any preference there?
Not really. It's just whatever I can get.
Yeah. So we got, or 15, sorry, 17 by 8 and 17 by 9.
Yeah.
I got 17 by 8s as well, so I have a squared set. Okay, what else? What'd you do after this? So
acquire your wheels.
Acquire the wheels.
Now, you want to spray these bolts right here overnight with PB Blaster, WD-40, whatever the fuck you got. Anything to lube up those bolts.
Lube it up.
You let it sit overnight, and then, next day, get your 12-point socket 10 mil. Break all those bitches. I just got a DeWalt impact and I just, they all came off.
Worked good? They weren't too tight?
No, they weren't too tight. They all came off perfect.
Okay.
Didn't give me any issues. Next, you're gonna wanna get one nut and you're gonna put it on each single one. Don't thread it. I didn't thread it. People say you should thread it. I didn't thread it. I probably should have threaded it.
You just put it on?
It's a lot of work, time consuming.
What are you talking about?
Put it on.
Okay.
Get a hammer with your 10 mil socket. Hit that bitch out.
Oh,
should just pop right out. These things are not coming out. They are in there.
I see.
Yeah.
So you need some force to get them out because they're like tapered or something. They fit snug. They rust in there.
And these have been what, 25 years?
Yeah, they're like 30-year-old
wheels.
If they haven't been taken apart before.
So go to Home Depot, get some fuck aircraft carrier, whatever it is.
Aircraft paint stripper.
Yeah, get Jasco. That stuff's amazing.
The Jasco stuff. How long did you let it sit?
I let it sit for 30 minutes. I kind of fucked up though, and I lost track of time and let it sit for like 40. The Jasco clear coat stripper or paint stripper just hardened on the wheel, and I had to. I just started my wet sanding process a little early. I had to sand it all off. I got a pressure washer.
So maybe go like 15 minutes.
Do like 25, 30. check on it though. Yeah, you don't want to let it sit because as you can see on the inside, it's actually stained on there.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, it's really bad.
All right, and then
after you've stripped it of the clear coat, it's gonna look pretty shiny. You know, it's gonna look pretty good. Okay. You're gonna want to wet sand it. Start really rough. Get like, I don't know. I started with like 400, so I started at 400, went all around until it was pretty ugly looking, and then I just went all the way up to 3,000. After you get to 3,000, go get your mother's little ball polishing pad, whatever it is, attaches to a drill. Get your mother's aluminum polish and start polishing this bitch, you know, just keep going, circular motions.
Okay.
All the way through.
Hell yeah.
Every single wheel.
I'm gonna do this to my Style 19s.
And you're gonna look like this.
And they're gonna look like, hopefully a little better than this. Benny's got, you know, this is his first hand in trying this.
Yeah.
This is any of our friends' first hand in trying this. So, Benny, thank you for being the hamster, the guinea pig.
Yeah. It took me like
go
3
ahead.
days.
3
like
days.
25 hours. If you've never done it,
Was it exciting? Was it fun?
It's not that fun.
Would you do it with a 3-piece wheel?
Fuck.
No? 3-piece is a little different.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna stick with what I've done now.
Yeah, so we're gonna mount the alright. So we're gonna go ahead and get these on the car. You want to clean them up now or when they're on the car?
We'll clean them up when they're on the car.
So we're gonna go ahead and just, I mean, it's just like changing wheels.
We gotta do these first.
It's like we're 16 again.
Yeah.
This is the most exciting thing that's happened in a long time.
Honestly, yeah, since coils.
Hopefully they'll fit. I mean, plus 20 offset should be nice on the E36s.
Yeah, it does look pretty nice. I think these wheels look really awesome on like any car, any BMW.
I think they look good on a Volvo.
You think so?
I don't know.
You wanna try it?
We'll figure it out. I think we've done enough talking.
Yeah, sorry to bore you guys.
Let's do this. That's tightening.
Hey, cut that out. Cut that out.
Yeah.
Oh, these ones are on there, bro.
Let me see.
I'm cramping. I'm cramping. You didn't get a fucking COVID vaccine, right? Your arm is fine.
When your mama, when your mama.
Damn.
Damn.
A little before. A little after. Damn.
That was a straight door.
Quit playing with me, bro. What is this Fitment, bro? Damn, bro. That's some garbage. What the fuck?
Like 25 to 30, yeah.
Okay.
That one looks fucking fire.
This one looks
Maybe
really
I should retry that one.
Maybe you should retry that one.
Yeah.
Let's not bring them down.
Honestly, I want new.
Can I borrow you for a second, though?
Yeah, of course.
Let's talk about these.
Okay.
These are hub-centric rings, right?
Right.
Put these in there. And this is a wheel hub, right? So what this is intended to do, so basically the E36 has its own wheel hub, and the E39s, which these wheels come off of, have their own wheel hub as well. And they're called hub-centric because you can't just line up the bolt holes. Then you'd be, what is it, bolt or lug-centric? You don't want to be lug-centric, you want to be hub-centric. So what happens is you put this little adapter inside of the wheel, and it takes up about a couple millimeters, half a millimeter, 3 millimeters of space, and then you can put it on, and then you'll be hub-centric.
Yeah. So if you didn't have these, it would vibrate a lot because obviously there's a bunch of space in between it.
Yeah.
So it's just gonna. It's just annoying. You don't want that. I don't know if it's necessarily gonna wear out anything, but it's annoying. And vibrations, not fun. Been there, done that. Fuck vibrations.
Fuck vibrations.
Fuck vibrations.
Good vibrations.
Yeah, good vibrations. Fix that shit. Don't
How much
be lazy.
how much did you pay for these?
Too much.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, for
These
what they
little
are.
plastic rings.
Yeah, like
Ran me
15
like-
bucks, 12 bucks? No, how much you paid? More?
30 bucks.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
I forgot. I think it was ECS.
Fuck
ECS,
bro.
yeah.
Fuck ECS.
ECS, if you're watching this, fuck you.
Damn,
I don't
bro.
care about you. I'm not.
Want
never
my money
mind.
back.
Yeah, give me my money
I don't
back.
even buy from ECS, but they have some good European parts on there. They have some like rare parts that like you can't really get.
Fucking the Style 19 center cap.
They have the center caps. I
Can't
don't know
find
who
that
else is
anywhere.
selling caps.
Yeah,
I don't
no
know who
one.
else is selling center
eBay
caps.
had them for like 300 bucks.
But yeah.
I'm good.
Holy shit, bro.
Oh!
my-
Those are meaty.
Bro, those, it looks like it might rub. I hope it doesn't rub, but it looks like it might rub.
Maybe you can. Here it is.
That looks nuts. That looks so good. Benny, might rub. Maybe. The fenders were previously rolled, or did you roll them a little bit?
I've never rolled these fenders.
They're a little rolled, aren't they?
Really? I don't judge. That shit look way better. What?
Forgot my head.
Forgot your what?
The head from my head.
Jack?
What the fuck?
What the hell?
Weirdest crossover
Well, this is a weird crossover episode. Wait, come look at these. Wait, Jack.
Dude, we have to like go.
Jack, just look at this.
Wheels? Oh, shit!
That's wet.
So no head? So no head? So no head?
So you telling me no head? Hey, don't drop that.
Yeah. No
I
shit.
don't want to drop that.
It's about a 1 finger gap here, but I don't think it'll rub. But we'll see. You're gonna have some solid fitment though.
Yeah.
You are going to tuck that tire, dude.
I'm so excited.
Or at least a little bit.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Wait
It's
till
gonna
you-
look good.
Oh my
Yo,
god.
this car came into this little driveway like 10 minutes ago looking like shit.
Okay.
And it's gonna look amazing.
Oh my gosh. Alright, let's do the other side. Or you can put the other side on.
Okay.
I'll start doing the tie rods.
Yeah?
Alright, my tire sticker. Shout out old BMWs. We can't get this tie rod loose right now. So, well, we're just putting it back together so we can get the wheels on and drive it. So we'll figure this out another time. No, you don't even look like you're on coils. Oh, Benny is. How are you feeling? Okay, so for anybody that's ever put wheels on their car, came into this telling him like, "Are we gonna lower it?" And he was like, "Nah, it'll be fine." But now, if you look at it, obviously it's on blocks of wood right now, so it looks a little higher than it is. But you are not satisfied.
No, it looks stock ride height to be
It
honest.
looks like a stock car, and he's
Yeah.
on coils. I mean, we put coils on it. So
Time to go lower.
we're gonna lower it a little bit, and
Yeah, we'll be back. Damn.
closing the gap by pushing this one.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Point low. Alright, get this one.
Yeah.
So that spins right there.
Oh, I need to go a little lower.
I like the meaty look. On the rear here. So we are liking the rear here. Perfect fitment back there. I think we're gonna lower it like 3 or 4 more turns. But other than that, Benny, I can't believe this is still your car, dude.
hot, bro. The block is hot, bro. This thing to me right now. You're lying to me right now. What the fuck? Bro, this thing looked like a damn monster truck earlier.
Oh my god.
Dude, what the fuck?
I need to get some style 19s ASAP. If you got an E36, throw them on there. Look at this shit.
Gosh.
Oh my god. Y'all like it? Let me know. Drop a comment.
All right, well, we're gonna go get some looks. I think that's it, honestly. Like that says it all. We'll try and shoot some rollers maybe. But thank you guys for watching. Benny's gonna go get his rocks off. Really
Yeah,
quick.
I'm gonna drive this shit really hard right now.
Let's go.
Later.
Yeah.